Insurance of the Future, an initiative that we are taking in the EMEA region, but also in our country here in Belgium. In Europe, together with the Financial Times, here in the country, together with Trends and Transcendence. We discussed the future of insurance with 5 CEOs of the largest insurance companies and the CEO of 3 ecosystems in order to understand how the future will be. But Dirk, can you tell us a word about the insurance sector in Belgium and the Deloitte presence?
Yes, certainly, Olivier. I think in Belgium we are seeing a very mature market whereby insurance companies are offering non-life, life, health products to their customers. Although it's a very mature and maybe a traditional market, we see also a lot of activity, a lot of change happening, and it's really changing the customer experience. It's insurers providing solutions towards their customers in order to have a frictionless experience. And of course, digital is one of the core elements within this. Also at Deloitte, we have developed our insurance strategy where we also would like to onboard the things that we see happening at insurers. We are working in multidisciplinary teams whereby we are offering our services to our clients. So how do you see, Olivier, this insurance of the future? What are the key items, what we have learned from our study?
Yeah. Well, for sure, we'll continue to analyze and to set the strategy of insurance companies around the geographical footprint that they want to have, their positioning on the value chain, their client segments that they want to tackle, the line of business that they want to further develop, the risk appetite that they want to take. But with the digital age, there are 2 new fundamental dimensions that are going to impact the insurance companies. The first one is the level of phygital customer experience they want to offer to their clients. We know that still today, insurance companies are a bit between the past, a very much process and paper-based organization, with now some very nice development in terms of digital. But it's a kind of intermediate step. The ultimate step is clearly to offer this full phygital experience, which means fully digitalize and fully take leverage of the digital technologies, and at the same time be there at what we call the moment that matters with people in order to be able to be there and to advise the consumer. The other dimension, which is equally important, is the level of openness that the insurance companies are ready to have in order to further settle partnership or be part of ecosystems. And if you combine these 2 dimensions, you see that there are 3 kinds of insurance companies into the future. The first one are what we call the core insurer. These are the insurance companies who stays with their product and services, and they don't want to go beyond. They insure products and they don't want to do more than that. The beyond insurance players are those players who want to come with solutions to the market. They want not to just sell an insurance product, for example, but they want to offer a mobility package. If they are in healthcare, they just don't want to reinsure the cost that they have, but they want to help you to make prevention and to understand the entire value cycle of a healthcare process of what's going on there. And the third dimension is what we call exponential insurance. In those cases, the insurance companies want to be fully part of what we call the new ecosystems and really playing a very important role into those ecosystems. So we met CEOs. Can you maybe summarize a little bit who are the CEOs that we saw and what were their key messages?
Yes, we saw the CEOs of ATS, Belfius, KBC, AG and AXA, and it were all very interesting and discussions which we had, all agreeing that these are very exciting times to be in insurance. They all confirmed that the digital age is very much impacting and that they are revising their core insurance processes in order to provide this digital experience. And also new initiatives are taken in order to go beyond insurance, and even a number of them are already exploring partnerships in order to provide an integrated solution, more what we call an ecosystem whereby insurance is a clear part of that ecosystem. So Olivier, can you tell us something more on these ecosystems?
Yeah, so we met the CEOs of 3 ecosystems. So Xavier Brenet, who is responsible, who is the CEO of MLOZ, Rick Vandenberg, who is the CEO of Basics, and Denis Gorterman, who is the CEO of D'Ieteren Auto. And so they all confirm that they are very much busy with those ecosystems in order to understand how those ecosystems are going to be built up, what is the role that they want to play, but they also confirm the fact that they all see the insurance sector as playing a very important role into the future. If I'm taking the example of the mobility, so something we discussed with Denis Gorterman, clearly D'Ieteren is having very high ambitions in terms of mobility, multi-mobility, and obviously whatever the mean that you use in order to be mobile, clearly insurance is playing a very important role and has to be integrated in all those different steps of mobility. So a lot of information, Dirk, so we hope that you will join us on Deloitte.be in order to further continue the conversation and share with us all the insights that we had thanks to the conversation with these 8 CEOs. So thank you very much.
Thank you.